Gearheads, eco-warriors and tech enthusiasts, assemble. Are you ready to witness the future of Indian transportation? Buckle up, because we're about to take a high-voltage ride through the most exciting upcoming electric cars hitting Indian roads in the near future. This video dives headfirst into the world of cutting-edge electric cars, SUVs and even some surprises, all set to revolutionize the Indian automotive landscape. We'll be uncovering the latest models from established brands and innovative newcomers, showcasing their sleek designs. As the world transitions towards a more sustainable future, India is also witnessing a surge in the demand for electric vehicles. With the government's push towards clean energy and the reduction of emissions, Indian car manufacturers are increasingly focusing on developing electric cars. One of the emerging trends in the electric car market in India is the adoption of advanced technology, such as fast charging infrastructure and longer battery life. These innovations are making electric cars more practical and convenient for everyday use. Furthermore, many international car manufacturers are eyeing the Indian market for their electric vehicle offerings. Companies like Tesla, Nissan, and Kia are set to launch their electric cars in the country in the upcoming years, bringing top-notch technology and performance to Indian consumers. This influx of international brands is expected to further drive the adoption of electric vehicles in the country, as it will offer a wider variety of options to consumers. In addition, the Indian government is providing incentives and subsidies for the purchase of electric vehicles, making them more affordable for the average consumer. These measures, along with lower fuel and maintenance costs compared to traditional vehicles, are expected to make electric cars even more attractive in the coming years. With the increasing awareness about environmental issues and the benefits of electric vehicles, it is no surprise that the Indian market is poised for a significant growth in the electric car segment in the near future. So here we present the new set of EVs that are going to transform our roads. We have also added expected launch date and estimates price bracket for your convenience.